foodtaster.com. Here you go, my beautiful friends. It's time for anti-cooking, and today I've got a really nice anti-ramen fire. Here I've got the pan, and let's put in the FIJI water. We need this to cook the ramen. Here we go. And yeah, FIJI is the best for it. Nothing compares. Here we go. This is a ramen I use, Samyang. I think I taking 2 of them. And I guess I will add the other stuff later. And here, this one looks good as well. Hot chicken flavor. Oh. Why is this so tight? Here we go. Okay. This is round. So, after we've got this out of the way, we add more ingredients. Here we go, mushrooms. Very important for good ramen. Here come the mushrooms. And also corn. Yeah, good. It's so cute. This little tiny can of corn. Okay. Let's drop them in as well. We also need, of course, seasoning. Here we go. This is 8 herbs from the garden. Oh, 8 herbs. And it says it's spreadable. Very good. Here we go. Let's drop the herbs. Why is everything sticking to the packaging? Not good. Here, half of it is still in there. We need you. How does it taste like? Tastes so good. Okay, I messed up everything. Wash my hands first. Okie dokie. Then, of course, we need eggs. I got now these eggs. Let's put some of them in there. Why is it so dirty? This is like a serious question. The eggs are dirty. Yeah, I think this is more. Looks a little bit better. Okay, here we go. Yeah, maybe I be careful and not break the yellow. Here we go. Yeah, success. 3 of them must be enough. And then I even got meat. As you can see, it's like the best. Look at this. It's the best ramen ever. And I take this one here, this is a chicken crunchies. And what a fun putting everything in there, but not everything of the meat. I want to eat something later. Hey. This must win against Burger King. And I ask myself, can I cut frozen chicken? Because on all this fancy ramen, everything is cutted. I'm not sure whether you can cut frozen. You will know in a second. Okay. It's like a solid brick of ice. Okay. This must get the most heat, so it should be at the bottom. Did I just crash the egg? Okay, here we go. This now goes to the... Oh, I couldn't see, I'm sorry. This goes onto the cookings. Full power. Okie dokie, so here we go, full power. Must get red in a second. Here we go. I come back to with when it's like boiling and stuff. Okie dokie, here we go, my baby friends. So it starts boiling. And yeah. I just let the camera roll now. Yeah, this is sort of crucial to get the chicken stuff unfrozen. Smells good. I hope it's not that hard. I do it for you. I drop all the seasoning, like not my seasoning, the seasoning from the Koreans on there. Yeah. Let's eat some of the these herbs. These are kind of interesting. Just a little bit of spinach. Here we go. On my channel. Am I the only one who's cooking? Oh wow. What is this? There are so many good cooking videos on YouTube. We need bad cooking videos. And we have the daily. I'm interested. We have the weekly vote-in. And let's see. I put Burger King in there. And this must win against Burger King. If not, I've got like serious doubts whether the voters actually watch the videos. So apparently you all want to see this. Exactly this. FIJI water, corn, Korean ramen. It's already soft. Wow, I destroyed the egg. Okay. Yeah, I should have defrosted the chicken stuff first. So enough talk. I let it like this for, I don't know, 4 minutes? Yeah. Only on my channel. So, I turn down the heat. Alrighty, so it's time to put on the good bulldog sauces. Okay, this does not work with the arrows, so I can't prepare it. I've got a scissor. Drop it. I think it's very hot. Eat some. Oh, it's okay. Next one. Oh. Oh. There you go. Only on my channel. As a problem I have with this stuff is I have the feeling that there's a lot of stuff sticks in the bag. I'm not quite sure how many percent of the product is now still sticking inside. But anyways, now we have these pouches. There we go. We need more seasoning. I'll eat this. Oh. And now I promise to eat it. I hope I do. It's a good anti-cooking. Please write a comment whether you think it's a good anti-cooking or not. I think it is. I gave my best. I think I made too much. But otherwise it's a good anti-cooking. Yeah, I could cut here the stuff here, so that nobody can complain I didn't cut anything. Very important. I get many complaints all the time. Yeah, I always cut stuff. So it looks good. I'm not quite sure whether it's pre-cooked, but it definitely looks okay. And even if I cut it more, it looks like it would be actually ramen from somebody who was what is the right word? From somebody who actually put effort into it. But yeah, I think the fun stuff of this series is like if you just put good ingredients, put them all together, nothing can go wrong. This is my philosophy. Okie dokie. So here we are. Tasting time. Or maybe thumbnail time. I think the thumbnail was not yet fancy enough. We need more fancy thumbnail. If people tune out after 5 seconds, at least they have seen the fancy thumbnail. Yeah, FIJI. Yeah, FIJI. Here we go. Bam! Okie dokie, let's do it. Tasting time. So what do I eat first? Here's some of this egg. Is it hot? Yes, it's too hot. Okay. Yeah, I love the consistency of the Korean ramen noodles. And now let's try some mushrooms. Yeah, it's still steamy. I have to wait a little bit. Okie dokie. Let's continue eating. This part here looks delicious. Let's eat it. Would you agree it looks delicious? Oopsie. Yeah, I think that I failed with the distribution of this oil. Yes, this looks the most yeah, with this oil contaminated. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's tasty. It's actually quite a good ramen. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Yeah, the FIJI water was really... Oh, The Fiji water was really worth it. Tastes so much better. Yeah, this is my secret ingredient, Fiji water. Oh. I think it's from Hawaii, isn't it? Or is it from Japan? From the islands of Fiji. No, it's from Fiji. Okay. Fiji water is from Fiji Islands. Yeah. Alrighty. So, this is officially, without a doubt, the best ramen on YouTube. It's hot. The noodles are awesome. The meat is awesome. It's full of flavor. It's rich in protein. Easy to make. Yeah, it's fruity because of the corn. It's really hot, actually, but it's like for the review I do it. The burn is, yeah, quite good. Let's eat some mushrooms. Okay, one mushroom and something else. Okay. I eat this off in private. Yeah. Okie dokie. Logbook time. So, yeah. This must win the voting, mustn't it? So I will make a shake, Burger King shake the next time. After this, just Anti-Cook wins, and then we are good to go. Other thing, I wanted to retire the Burger King option after the shake, but I'm confident this will win here. Okay. 340. Oopsie. Anti-Ramen. Oopsie. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you on Wednesday.